Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the Nintendo collab. Me and Chibi actually started this collab. And I decided to do, well, stick around. Okay guys, so I decided to do Toad. That's the character that I'm picking. Please excuse all the glitter in my hair. I just got done filming another video. There's a lot of other cool people doing this, and I'm sure that the looks are going to be absolutely amazing. Their descriptions will be below, so don't forget to check them out. And also, I will have Chibi's channel right here in the cards. So make sure, or here, one of the two. Make sure you check out hers and subscribe to her channel too. She does a lot of awesome things. Hauls, makeup looks, collabs, everything. Okay, so I'm just going to get started. If you don't know who Toad is, I will insert a picture here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is, so afraid I need to wash my brushes. We're just going to use different brushes today. Alright, I'm going to go into my Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette, and we're going to use China White just to lay down. I already did all the rest of my makeup. I already primed my eyes and everything else, so I'm just going to go in with this. I'm so anxious to see everyone else's. I'm sure they are going to be absolutely amazing. Everyone always does such an awesome job. I'm just not like a super creative. Okay. Now, some people think that Toad is red and white. I think he's orange and white, to be totally honest. Okay. So, now I'm going to go in with, find the right brush though. Okay. I still need to get one of those color changing sponges. I don't want to ruin my look. We'll just use this one. I have to fix my phone, sorry about that. For some reason, like, it keeps saying maximum recording time reached or something. I don't know what's going on with it. Anyway, I'm going to go in with, this is my Alice in Wonderland palette. I'm going to go in with the color Paradox. This is like a super pretty orange. I'm just using the brush that came with the BoxyCharm last month. This one might be a little bit too... I thought this orange was going to be extremely pigmented, but it doesn't seem to be. Wow, I really am having to go in there with this color. This is a slanted brush too, so it's kind of hard. Oops. Yeah, I definitely can't blend with this brush. This is the first time I've used this. Actually, I think I was going to take this all over my lid. Yeah. That's a really cool idea. I'm just doing this on a whim. Didn't plan this look out. And that way I can get an intense orange here. I'm also going to take a little bit right under here. I love this palette. There's so many pretty colors in it. I just used this in the last the last video I filmed, but that video won't be up until Friday. It's yeah, Friday. I might actually use this again. Okay. So next, I'm gonna wash all these brushes. Okay, next I'm gonna use my Saharan. Again, sorry, I don't know why this keeps saying maximum recording time. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with, I think it's Iman, whatever. And I'm going to just use my finger for this. I'm gonna kind of put this all over the lid. Now I'm just gonna kind of went down the other one. Blend that in. Okay. Then I'm going to take my white eyeliner and just go along my lower lash line here. A little wing there. Okay, now I am just going to kind of want to do like little, that might not work, well maybe it will. I wanted to do like little dots. Yeah, Toad has little dots, except his are orange, so this is kind of like backwards. Okay. And now for the let's see what else I want to do. Sorry again, it just keeps going off. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some mascara. Sorry I haven't been posting very many videos the past like week. I have been so sick, as some of you know. I just like have not been with it, having a medical issue. But I'm gonna start posting 3 times a week: Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. But sometimes the Saturday video will be on a Friday. I always have to get the extra mascara off my lashes. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my Aurora. I'm going to go in with the shade Eclipse. And just pack on some highlight there. Of course, my nose. A little orange glow. Excuse my finger. I like my nose to be really glowing. A nice and orange glow. And then Cupidville. You know, ever since like I've been using the Amrezy as my everyday, I expect all highlighters to like just glow like that, and they don't. There we go. And I use the Too Faced Peach lip gloss, whatever. I don't remember what color it's in. Pure Peach is what it was. But pretty much this is my look. Again, I was going for Toad. So I think to do with my hair. Didn't really have a costume to wear. He just wears suspenders. No, he wears a little red vest, I believe. Don't have no little red vest, but you get the point here. Okay guys, that's about it for this video. Please make sure to check out all the other girls. They will be listed below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.